everybody, welcome to my channel. I am bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. Now this month it's just gonna be kind of slow, which is completely normal, but I am actually excited to share with you guys what I got. It ended up becoming a money maker for me, so I am here to share with you guys what I got. Now I did take some pictures. I think I took like one or two pictures of product that I didn't get. Like there's the all deal, they're $2.88 with the $1 off coupon, making them $1.88. Persil is like $4.99 with a $2 off coupon, making them $2.99. So in case you guys need to do that deal, definitely go ahead and do it. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, okay, so I got my inserts today. I have two different newspapers in my area. I have my newspaper and then I have the Milwaukee paper, and I like it in the Milwaukee paper because they have better coupons and it's actually cheaper to get that paper than the regular paper where I live. And for once, you guys, they actually had the Renews It coupons and they had the Persil coupons, so I'm pretty excited I got those coupons. I'm really excited. But I ended up getting the Renews It's. The Renews It's are 89 cents. Now remember, if you guys use that digital will only take off one, not two like it's supposed to. I've complained to Walgreens, nothing. It's just a complete lost cause. But anyways, you guys want to buy 6 of these, okay? You guys want to use that buy 4, get 2 free coupon. You would pay $3.56 for 6 of these, but then you guys can submit a $1 off of 3 rebate with Ibotta, making them $2.56 or just 43 cents a piece. So if you guys need some Renews It, definitely go ahead and get that. My bag ripped as I was bringing everything inside the house. So yeah, I ended up getting some Captain Crunch. Captain Crunch was $1.99. There is a 75-cent off coupon. I totally did not write this down, but I think this comes out to be like $1.24 or something like that. So if you guys need some crunch berries, definitely go ahead and do it. I've been craving some Captain Crunch, so that is awesome. That is awesome. Okay, now I did 2 separate transactions. I'm gonna get this, I always get this question every single time. I did 2 transactions in this haul. The first transaction was because I was buying the Netflix gift card is what I bought. Okay. And so let me share with you guys this deal. So I ended up doing the Netflix deal. Now they changed this deal. You got to make sure it's in your ad or check online because this is a regional thing. Not everybody gets this deal. But what you can do is you buy 2 Netflix. There's also, I think, Hulu, and then some other else. But if you guys buy 2 Netflix gift cards, I buy the minimum at $15 and $15. You're usually supposed to get a $10, but they changed it to $5 because there's people who abused the system. I've seen people who buy hundreds of dollars of this stuff, and it's like, that's cool. But now they only changed it to $5. So you guys would basically get $35 worth of product for 30 bucks. So I always do this deal. I've been doing this deal for a while. Every time they do the Netflix deal, just because I've been having Netflix I've had Netflix longer than I've had my husband. I just recently canceled just getting the DVDs for a while. I'm just gonna go just digital because I feel like I can get all that stuff from the library. So that's what I decided to do to save some money. So with that transaction, I ended up doing the Scope mouthwash deal, and then I got the Oral-B toothbrush. Now these were $2.99. I used a $1 off digital coupon for this one, and then I used a $1 off digital and a $1 off physical coupon from the P&G. So you guys want to buy 3 of those. You would pay $3.97. Actually, you know what? There was supposed to be a 5 off of 3 coupon in the app, and I never got it. So I did the math wrong, you guys. So you guys would pay $5.97 for all 3 of these. But you can actually submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta for the Oral-B toothbrush. And you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate and a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. And you guys would get a $3 register reward. So you guys would get all 3 of these products for 97 cents. Because when I was doing the math, I'm like, $1.03, that's a moneymaker. I'm like, no, I didn't get the 5 off of 3. If you guys have the 5 off 3, go for it. But I did not get it in my account. But 97 cents, I think, for all 3 of these. It's 33 cents a piece. That's good. I've been really trying to cut back on getting toothpaste, you guys. I have so much toothpaste. I'm like, let's try to change it up a bit. So then what I ended up doing in a different transaction is, so what I did is I just bought the Netflix and that toothpaste deal, and I ended up getting a Catalina where if I spend $30 or more, I'll get $7 in points. So I ended up using that towards my second transaction, and I did not pay with points because usually you don't get the money if you pay with points, which is totally fine. So then what I ended up doing is I got the battery operated Oral-B toothbrushes. And then I got this bad boy of the mouthwash. These were $5.99, and this was $4.99. I used 2 $2 off coupons from our P&G inserts, and then I used a $1 off coupon. You would pay $11.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 off rebate on Ibotta times 2 and a $1 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys would also get a $5 register reward, making all 3 of these just $1.97 or 66 cents. Which I'm saying that's a pretty good deal for getting a battery operated toothbrush. I think that is a pretty good deal. So if you guys need to stock up on stuff like that. I don't know the reason why I did that, because I was doing the mouthwash deal and I used 2 paper coupons and I used 1 digital. I just didn't want something to get all messed up, so that's the reason why I did it that way. I ended up doing the Colgate deal. Now I have too much toothpaste, you guys. Like I said, I have too much toothpaste, but what I ended up buying was these. These were $3.99. I used a $1 off coupon and a $1 off coupon that we got from our inserts last week. You would pay $5.98, but then you guys will get a $5 register reward, making these just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. And I'm like, sure. Like I said, we get toothpaste for free all the time, but those deals, I say you should get that stuff for free too, but sometimes you don't. Sometimes you don't, which is fine. I ended up getting the L'Oreal Elvive. Now this stuff was 2 for $8. You guys should have gotten some inserts. I don't get these in inserts, but there are some printables and some digitals for 4 off of 2. So you guys want to use those. There's also a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you have the cashier scan. So these come out to be just $2, $1 a piece, which is a pretty good deal if you guys need to go ahead and do this. This is actually my favorite shampoo and conditioner. I really love that smell. Not of all time, but of the L'Oreal, that's my favorite. So, yeah. Now I ended up doing the Rolaids deal. You guys, this is an all-month deal, so until that Catalina stops printing off. But these are $5.99. If you guys have your cashier start scanning a coupon, the Catalina will print for this one. So then you can just use that Catalina coupon for this if you guys want. But then there's also a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this bottle of Rolaids for 99 cents. 99 cents. I know. Crazy. Now here's a great deal that I'm actually pretty excited about is the Palmolive. Now these are on sale for 99 cents, but there's actually a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You guys would just get this for 49 cents. I tried scanning it and the coupon did not work, but when I paid for it, it came off. So just giving you guys a heads up if you need some Palmolive soap. Now here's a deal that I was excited to do. I'm really trying to hit some rebates that I got instead of going to Walmart, you guys, because I kind of just took a little break. Sorry, something fell in the garbage. Seriously? Okay. So I ended up doing this deal. Now, it might not be the greatest deal for you guys, but for me, it ended up becoming a good, decent deal. So I ended up getting this Burt's Bees Truly Glowing Gel cream. Okay, now the picture makes it look like it's a big bottle. No, it's just this tiny little thing. This is like a moisturizer. When skin is completely hydrated, it reflects light for real measurable radiance. So you put it on when your face is wet. I don't know, I'll have to look at it. But anyways, this thing was here. It was $17.99. $17.99. I also got this. This was $9.99. And then I got the Skin Active, and this was $6.99. Now there is a $2 off digital coupon for this, but it did not come off because right now the personal products are buy two, you get the third one free. So the coupon did not come off, which is totally fine. So this will become absolutely free. But this, there is a $7 off digital coupon for this. And this one, there is a $3 off digital coupon. Yeah, $3 off. So you guys want to buy these three products, you would pay $17.98. Now, not the greatest deal. With the employee discount, I actually got it for $13.78, which I think is a pretty decent deal. But you guys can actually submit a $4 rebate with Ibotta for this one, a $3 rebate with Ibotta for this one, and a $2 rebate with Ibotta for this one. I was gonna do the Burt's Bees wipes, but then this had a $2 rebate and the Burt's Bees only had $1, so I thought this was a better deal. So your grand total for all three of these would be $8.98, or just $2.99 a piece. For me, I got it for $4.78, so that's the reason why I did this deal. But from $17.99 all the way to $2.99, I think that's a pretty good deal. And it's like a glass jar. It's got some weight to it. So that is what I got. Okay, my total for both transactions, not including the Netflix, because the Netflix deal is not really to me as like a couponing deal. It's just a deal that I like to do. But my total came to $25.91. I got $12.69 points back. I think I know for sure I had the $7 worth of points when I spent $30 or more, but I don't know what else I got points on. I don't know, it was just might have been some coupons that I had clipped, so we got that. I ended up getting $13 worth of register rewards. I got 2 5s and 1 3. I ended up getting $17 back with Ibotta. That is for the crest, the mouthwash, and then the facial stuff. And then I also received a $1 bonus for the Burt's Bees for buying 2 products, so that was $1. So technically that $8.98 price technically comes to be $7.98. So if you guys need to do that deal. So my grand total came to be a $17.78 moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus I made a profit, so I'm pretty excited for that. But yeah, that was my haul. I'm excited to share with you guys that. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.